Hey guys, it's Curtis from All the King's Projects. Hey, told you that the long bed was too long and thought about cutting it down. Well, didn't do that route. I went and bought a beat up stepside bed. Gonna have to do a little bit of fiberglass work. We're gonna cut that off. And the old Tahoe, well, we're gonna put that on there. I don't see why it wouldn't matter. We're gonna get it on there, make it work. Still gotta do a lot of work, but hey, it's a process, long road for this, but got the other one cut off. But I'm thinking this will work. The cheapest thing I could find out there for the budget. If I had a lot of money, there's several beds out there worth a lot more money that I could have got that were in a lot better shape. But I'm working with the money that I'm getting off the sale of the parts off the Tahoe. So, which there's some big items that haven't sold yet. But I ended up cutting those quarters up because they were messed up anyway. Nobody wanted them, but we got the windows out, but still no bits on it. But anyway, let you look at what we've done so far. We put some different lights in it. We polished up the grill. Well, Ben did, and did really a hell good job. The bumpers off Cheyenne. I like these bumpers better anyway, but it works. We got halos in the lights. Worked pretty good. And so we painted the grill in there. I don't know if I showed y'all this, but I've got stuff in here. But there's the windows that I cut out of the deal. We left the maroon dash part, but we put in the tan parts out of the Tahoe with the wood grain. We got wood grain for here, which we're going to put in there. We put in the carpet, the front part of the carpet, the seats. I was going to have to put these seats in here anyway. They're electric, and it's hooked up for electric. So, hey, it works. But we're going to figure out how to get that up in there. We got the console in here. I think it's looking pretty sharp for what we're doing. So anyway, and today we got in the very important part. That way we don't have to tarp it up. We got in the back window from California. So we're going to be putting that in today. So, but anyway, I thought I'd jump on here real quick while we're doing this. We're going to do some welding. And that'd be easy weld. I won't have to worry about that too much. So, but anyway, y'all have a great day today. And we'll catch you on the next time when I get finished with it. And hopefully by the next time we've got it on the truck. So anyway, peace out, y'all. Y'all have a great day today. Have a great day tomorrow. And hey, make the third day your best day. Alrighty? Alright, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.